So you want to create a business presence in the Chinese market? Then welcome to Respond.io. Today, we'll discuss everything about WeChat for business. By the end of 2020, WeChat had over 1.2 billion monthly active users, making WeChat the world's most popular Chinese messaging app with useful features like WeChat Pay and mini programs. China, Mongolia, and Hong Kong are the top locations for WeChat users. However, the app is very popular among Chinese-speaking communities around the world. So if you want to connect with Chinese customers, then WeChat is for you. To use WeChat for business, you'll need a WeChat official account. It's free to set up, but there's an annual verification fee to ensure brand's authenticity. More importantly, WeChat will cancel unverified official accounts after 30 days. There are two types of WeChat official accounts. One is a subscription account designed for marketing purpose, while the service account is made for sales and customer support. To reduce spam, WeChat doesn't allow brands to send the first message. Users will have to follow your account and message you first to start a conversation. But luckily, there are ways to encourage customers to initiate a chat. Place QR codes on websites and in physical stores to get customers to chat with you. And since WeChat is a one-stop app with a powerful search engine, users can also search for your account in-app by display name and keywords in description. Now that you know how to start a conversation with your customers, let's explore the messaging rules for WeChat. The most important rule to know is called a messaging window. WeChat allows businesses to message customers freely within a 48-hour messaging window. Every time a customer sends you a message, the timer starts. After 48 hours, you can't send any more messages to the particular user through WeChat. If you want to reach out to customers outside the messaging window, you'll need to send the customer a message through another channel like email. This is easy by creating a free Respond.io account and connecting your WeChat official account. To get started, create a WeChat official account. We have provided a blog link to guide you through it. And once the account is verified, you can connect it to Respond.io. Simply follow the instructions on the platform to get your app ID and app secret code, and fill them in your Respond.io account to connect. When a new customer sends you a message, Respond.io can automatically request for their email. Once the email is received, it'll be added to the customer's contact details. After the messaging window closes, responding via email is easy. Just switch the channel drop-down to email to send a message. Now that you know how to use WeChat for business, click on the link in the description below to sign up for a free Respond.io account so you can respond to WeChat and other channels on one platform. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to Respond.io for all things business messaging.